Hello, this is Julfikar. How are you? Today we are going to provide some important tips for every IELTS student. Most of the students may say that now I would like to study IELTS, I would like to study abroad, I would like to fly abroad. What can I do now? If you are asking like that, this video is for you. So let's get started. First step that you should do is you should read aloud. Whatever you found in front of you, you should read it. Now, most of the student may say, is there any specific tips to improve by myself? Actually, in IELTS, there are no other tricks to improve by yourself. If you want to improve, you should read aloud. Whatever you found, you should read aloud repeatedly because it will take time and be patient. You cannot say that I have prepared for 3 months. I think I am able to give IELTS exam. No. Yes, you are able to give the mock test, but IELTS is not something that is like easy. It also something like you can do, but it's need time. So be patient and continue on your journey. So the first thing what you should do is you should read aloud, right? And the second thing what you should do is you should read in English. Whatever you found in front of you, you should translate it in English. You should read it in English. English, English, English. Always you should say English. Whatever you found in your mind, in your mouth. Even the person who is not qualified to speak to you, then you should say with him. Then you should talk with him. Then you should speak with him in English. Either he understands or not. It is not the matter for you. What the matter is, you should talk continually. You should learn. Now you are reading and loudly, and then whatever you found, you are translating into English. So, what are the things that you should do? The other thing that you can improve by yourself is there is one platform. Can you guess it? Yes. Nowadays, on the internet, there are available English lessons and lots of platforms with the different types of idea. Whatever you can search, you can go on the internet and search difference into English, search different types of category, different types of articles, whatever you like. Just use internet. What I mean is here not to use always internet. You can make a schedule and watch internet, which means YouTube and Facebook, YouTube, especially YouTube and other browser. They have a lot of for IELTS platforms, and also you can use them. You can follow on their instruction. Then what I recommend is you can use internet platform. Internet is a better way to improve by yourself. Now you are reading and translating into English and then using internet platform. So what are the things you should do? You should learn different words. Whatever you found in your textbook, you should copy it, you should note it, you should translate it, whatever. If you are a good student, you should keep a notebook. Here I recommend to keep a notebook with you. And then if you follow all these strategies, I think you are doing well. Now what are the things that you need? You need IELTS coverage. To improve or practice by yourselves, you need to use IELTS Cambridge books. Here, IELTS Cambridge book is very suitable for every IELTS student during your practice time in the reading passage. What you should do is you use dictionary and keep notes if you need. Remember, during your practice time, you only need to do is try to understand whole passage, right? So let's see the last one, what we should do to improve IELTS reading. To improve IELTS reading, what we should do here is study with the Cambridge book, analyze the question. After analyzing the questions, you can search your answers onto the transcript answer. Now, on the Cambridge book, they have transcribed the answer at the end of the book. So, after analyzing the questions, you can match your answer with the transcript answer. If your answer is not right with the transcript answer, so you need to analyze why your answer is not correct, why the transcript answer is right, and then you should work on it. So the last thing what I want to recommend to all IELTS students is IELTS means not rushable. No one cannot do IELTS within 10 days, 5 days, 1 month. It's need time. It's need time. Actually, it's need time, right? It will take time. So be patient. No worries. You need to continue on your journey. Go for mock test and back to your home and self-study by yourselves, and again go to the mock test and match with your score, with your targeted score, right? So no worries, because most of you may say why I am not succeeding, why I am not achieving my desired score. So the things that you need to do is be patient and takes time, because IELTS means not only eligible after your graduation, after your high school, after your some other things, but what IELTS require is experience. So what you should do is be patient, right? So no worries, continue on your journey, and then what you should do is follow this instruction. First, you should read aloud and loudly. Second, you should translate into English if you are non-native English speaker. Whatever you found in front of you, you should translate it, and then try to use internet platform, because the internet is always in English. You can switch into English languages, so where you can learn more and more, right? And then learn different words and try to note it. Make a note and translate it, and make different sentences by one words, right? And work on it on all this instruction. I hope this lesson is very important for you and is very helpful for you. So if you like this video, please press the like button. If you would like to learn more from me, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So stay safe. Bye bye.